Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I have a really quick and easy box. It is a basic box here. It is 3 by 3 by 1 inch tall. This would be really cute for a small gift, a necklace or a bracelet, or even stick little candies in it. It'd be really cute as well, but it's a thank you box. I'm actually using one of the new suites that is coming out. It actually is available to customers already. It went available April 1st, and this is the first time that I remember being a demonstrator that customers could order before the new catalog came out. So they released this Ornate Garden suite. And I am using this time the Ornate Thanks, which I've used this before, but I'm going to use this Thanks, and I love that they have little sentiments and it's in cursive that go with all these, and it's super cute. I love this one. And then the Ornate Style, aren't those images just so pretty? And I'm just using this little flower here for that one. Now this is the same suite that I used for my ornate borders. This is the ornate borders, and I also used the ornate layers on the other box that I created not too long ago. I'll link that in the video. All right, I'm using the Designer Series paper, the Ornate Garden Specialty paper. I love this paper. It is so pretty, and it kind of has a little bit of a retro vibe to me, and I love that because I love retro stuff. But both sides are so pretty, and you can even color some of them. They have the foiled because it is a specialty, and it always, if it's a specialty, there's something about it, like it's foiled usually, or there's some kind of texture to it. All right, so that is what I'm using today. I'm also using the coordinating ribbon for this, and it's a 2-pack that comes in this, the Ornate Garden Ribbon Combo Pack. So it comes in, I believe that's terracotta tile and old olive, and we're going to just use the old olive for the little ribbon on top. So I thought it was really cute and quick and easy and a fun one to do. So let's get started. All right, I'm using crushed curry for this. It's 8.5 by 6. To mat the top is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then you need 4 pieces that are 2 7/8 by 7/8, and that's for the sides. So let's go ahead and score this. We are going to score on the 8.5 side, and we are scoring this at 1/2, 3.5, 4.5, and 7.5. And then you're going to turn it, and we are going to score it at 1/2, 1.5, 4.5, and 5.5. And that is all our scoring. All right, so to cut this, we are going to cut off, this is the 1/2 inch side, so this is the side we're cutting off here. We're going to cut down here, and then we're going to do the same on this side. I'm going to cut in on these a little bit, just so it folds into our box easier. And now we are going to cut up here, and we're going to cut this side. We're cutting off this 1/2 inch part here and on this one, and then I am going to cut in on these. And we're going to do the same on this side. Cut those 1/2 inch pieces off here. And then I'm also going to cut in on these. All right, so it's going to look like that. This is a really easy one. And then I'm going to sharpen all the score marks here using my bone folder. All right, so I'm going to use some wet glue to put this together, and we're going to just adhere it here. Line those up. Hold on to it for a few minutes if you're using wet glue, so that gets that tackiness. I'm going to do that one. And then we're going to do these two the same way. You can even, if you're going to put a necklace or something, you can put some cotton on the bottom or some tissue paper. We're going to go ahead and mat this next. So I'm going to use wet glue again. I'm going to mat the top. And then we'll mat the sides. There's so many variations that you can do with this box as far as patterns. There's a lot of combinations that you can create using either side of the designer series paper. Okay, I'm going to use my 1/2-inch circle punch, and I'm just going to punch a little half circle there. I just like to do that because it makes it easier to open. All right, so now let's go ahead and do some stamping here. So I'm using my Whisper White, and I'm going to use some Old Olive for the thank you, or for the thanks. I love this thanks. And I'm just going to cut this by hand. And then I'm going to stamp with the Tuxedo Black Memento ink, the flower. I do have to fussy cut that, which is so easy. You can even use a little circle punch if you'd rather punch it out if you don't like to fussy cut. But I'm going to cut this, and I'm just going to cut it close to the word. And we're going to color this, and I'm actually trying to color it similar. I didn't have all those colors, so I am going to use for the center light Calypso coral. So I'm just using that for the center, and it matches pretty good. And then this is dark Rococo Rose. So it's just really quick and easy, nothing fancy here. I usually like the quick and easy coloring. And then I'm using light and dark Granny Apple Green for the leaves, because one of the leaves is light and one is dark, so I'm trying to color it like the leaves on the pattern of the paper. Alright, now I need my little snips for this, and I'm actually going to cut this out smaller because it really helps if your piece is smaller, your piece of paper is smaller. And I like to leave a little bit of white along the edge. All right, so we have it cut out. Isn't that cute? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I am just going to use a dimensional underneath the flower here. And I'm going to attach it here. And I'm going to cut this here just so that the flower is like on the end. I'm going to add some snail to the back. We're going to add it to the center here. Try to get it straight. And then I'm going to create a bow. I'm just going to tie the bow by hand. This is really, really nice ribbon. It ties so nice. I love it when it's like that. And then we're going to just trim the ends. Use a little glue dot. And we're going to put it right on the end here. Whoops. I hate when it does that. There's nothing in the box, so there's nothing to hold it up. All right, so there you have it. It's all done. Isn't it cute? I love the patterns on this. I really do love the kind of retro look to me. And this also reminds me of the Mary Engelbert series. I don't know if you all remember that. Maybe I'm showing my age, but the pattern looks just like a Mary Engelbert pattern to me. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. This is my hostess code for April. If you need any supplies, you can shop right from my blog. I hope you all have a blessed one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And have a blessed one. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.